and Sweden's. I'm shooting. Oh god, this lady. I'm shooting now. I just go finish and I just go shoot, finish and I come. Hello everyone and welcome back again to the channel The Faceless Traveler. Last time we go to Soi 6 and Walking Street and we have seen all the beautiful bars and Indian discos and the Thai ladies. But Pattaya is a city of nightlife. So Walking Street and Soi 6 is not the only place where you can enjoy. So today we come outside to find more such places and find out how many more places where you can go and enjoy. So now we have come across to one of the Soi which is known as Boys Zone. This is specially for the men who are gay. So if you are one of those who are from the LGBTQ club and you're gay, you must come here and check it out. How is this Soi? I did not go, so if you go there, tell me in the comment section how it is. If you walk in the beach road, you will see a lot of Soi. Out of them, Soi 7 and Soi 8 is a very happening Soi. You will see a lot of bar, massage shop and some Thai discos, and these Sois are amazing. But after that, Soi 10, Soi 11 and Soi 12 is not a similar Soi, same like Soi 7 and Soi 8. These Sois are specially for residential purpose where people stay. You cannot see much bar and shop. But someone told us that you should go check out Soi 13. So now we are going towards Soi 13 and let's see how Soi 13 is. We have heard that this is one of the best Soi to stay. So let's go and see and find Soi 13 first. So this is Soi 13/1. Let's go and see. Water 10 baht, Coke 20 baht. This is chicken kebab in 60 baht. Beautiful. Okay. So this looks like Indian Soi maybe. Not sure. Because the first board that I see is Tandoori Dosa Indian food. So probably they have some Indian hotels and restaurants also, but these are Thai street foods. 30 to 40 baht you can find good yummy Thai street foods here. Papaya salad, which is again one of the most famous dish. But one thing good about this Soi is you can find a lot of massage shops here. So if you're looking for some good massage shop, probably you can come and check it out here. Have rooms for rent, 60 baht, Pal massage, open. Again, same. Good bar, few ladies, not much. Very few ladies sitting outside, one or two. Veteran bar during the war. This is amazing, wow. This is so beautiful. We regret. Ah, this is beautiful, so beautiful. Happy hour 60 baht, massage shop again, and some good bars and discos, and not discos but massage shops and small bars. Not much customers here, but a lot of beautiful ladies waiting for you. Probably you should come next time and check it out. Try this. Have many good restaurants and good hotels as well. If you want to come stay here, you can come stay here. And the mall is Japan Outlet. And you see the theme, how the flight land into Japan, the US land. This is during the World War where Americans, they landed in Japan, and how they destroyed Japan, Hiroshima, Nagasaki. They have designed this shopping mall with the same theme, and it is very beautiful. Very beautiful. We're not going inside today, but this is very beautiful. If you have seen Believe It or Not, this is just the opposite of it. That's why you can see here a brand also from Believe It or Not. And opposite to it have a Avni Hotel, again a very famous and a very super luxurious hotel. Very beautiful. So this is what, believe it or not, and the theme is amazing. So this is Soi 13,1 and we come to this Soi now. So again, this is a beautiful one. This is Grand Lodge Hotel here, and this is one of the very famous hotel, Grand Lodge, and this is probably from England and Sweden. I'm shooting. Oh god, this lady. I'm shooting now. Probably we're gonna stay here someday. How are you? I'm just gonna shoot now. Sorry. I'm making video now. I'm shooting now. I'm shooting. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm just shooting now. I just go finish and I just go shoot, finish and I come. Oh god, you're funny. Food massage 250 baht. How you do boom boom? Oh god. Okay, let me shoot, finish and come back. Just go, finish shooting.
Oh.
Thank you so much. Okay, I'll come later. I'll come later. I'll come later, I promise. I'll just go. Okay, I'll come later. Thank you so much. But yeah, there's no customer now at the moment. If you can see, the bars are very empty. No much people coming here at the moment. Maybe the time is 9 o'clock, and if we come after 1 hour, probably we see someone coming. But ladies are sitting outside waiting for customers now. Very few Farangs are sitting here, but this Soi is very good. It's very living. This is not same like another Soi 12 or Soi 11. So this is good if somebody want to enjoy, don't want to go to Walking Street or don't want to go to Soi 6, you can come over here. This is the beer prices are also not much here, 75 to 80 baht or 85, 90 baht. So I'm sure you can enjoy it here. You can come over here instead of Soi 6 or Walking Street, and this is an amazing street. You will love it. Hello, I'm just shooting. Bye bye. Have a good day.
And you have Mawa?
Which one?
And you have Mawa?
I don't have, ma'am. Sorry, really sorry. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you so much. The ladies are very good. They're talking. They're happy. They are not frustrated. That means they have customers every day. They're earning money. They're good. So you must come here and enjoy one time. Happy hour 60 baht. All beer here. And you do have a short time room, 250 baht per hour. This is Hotel Love in Time. You can enjoy here. You can come here. It looks good. Beautiful. You can enjoy some Thai food, fruits, good bars, everything good. Nah? So finally, this is Soi 13/1, which after Soi 7 and Soi 8, one of the Soi that I have seen a lot of people, lot of bars, massage shops, and this is really good.